these boxes are on fire. Got another order already. And so let's go ahead. It's 24 cards. Of course, I always put a few extra in there. So there's a happy birthday, sending love, and all occasions there. Of course, we're ready for some fall. Who isn't? You make my heart smile. Let your faith be bigger than your fear. I love this card. It just reminds me of like back in the 70s feel. A great little Christmas card there. This one, beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous Christmas card. You have some enjoy today, some all occasions. Of course, some thank you cards to go in here. Some Valentine's, celebration cards. Of course, there is birthday cards in all of them. I love the birthday cards. Some new celebration cards. We're going to put in some Halloween and pumpkin. We've got all the occasions. Look at that. Easter, anniversary, a fun vacation card there. Of course, sympathy cards, and then graduation, but that is a pretty masculine card there. So we've got our cards in here. I'm going to wrap these guys up, and then I put an extra little special card from me, and then a nice pen to be able to write in your cards. So thank you guys so much for grabbing these. They're on my Etsy shop. I'll put the link either in the bio, in the description, or you can always get them on my site, beautyandthestamper.com. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I will talk to you later. Bye!